Why do 40% of Nintendo Switch owners face Joy-Con connection issues? Let's fix that today. First, let's reset those Joy-Cons. Detach them from the console and press the sync button on each one. It's that tiny pin-sized button on the side. Now press any other button to power them back on and reattach them securely. Next, let's check for updates. Make sure your Nintendo Switch has the latest system update. Also, verify that the Joy-Con controllers have the latest firmware installed. Now check if your Joy-Cons are fully charged. Attach them to the console while it's docked or use an AC adapter to juice them up. If a specific game is causing trouble, check for updates for that game. Some games might have in-game tilt controls that make your Joy-Con seem unresponsive. You can disable those if needed. Still having issues? Try deleting the pairing information for all wireless controllers and repairing the Joy-Cons. If the problem persists, test with different Joy-Cons to pinpoint whether it's the controllers or the console. And if all else fails, reach out to Nintendo support for help.